In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or lock file on Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to protect a file so others can't make changes. And you'll understand what locking actually does in Google Drive. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that holds the file you want to protect. At the top right of the Google homepage, you'll see the small grid icon, often called the Google Apps Launcher. Click that grid to open the menu of Google Services. From there, choose Drive to open your Google Drive. Once Drive loads, find the file you want to hide or lock. If you have a lot of files, take a moment to visually scan your folders so you're sure you've selected the correct one. When you've located it, look for the three vertical dots next to the file name. That's the More Actions menu. Click those three dots to open a list of options related to that specific file. In the menu that appears, move your mouse over the option labeled File Information. Don't click yet, just hover your cursor so the submenu expands. You should now see an option called Lock. Go ahead and click Lock. This tells Google Drive you want to protect the file from changes. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. This is a safeguard so you don't lock a file by accident. Click Lock again to confirm. After you confirm, the file is locked. That means collaborators won't be able to make edits or apply suggestions, and it helps preserve your file in its current state. Think of this as a way to finalize a document or keep a shared file stable when multiple people have access. A couple of notes for clarity. Locking does not completely hide the file from people who already have access to it. It simply restricts changes, which is especially useful when you're finalizing a report, a budget, or any document where consistency matters. Your file will still live in the same folder, and you can continue to open and view it as usual. That's it. You opened Google, launched Drive from the Apps grid, selected your file's More Actions menu, hovered on File Information, chose Lock, and confirmed the lock. With these steps, you can quickly secure important files and keep your work exactly as you intend. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part to follow along at your own pace.